Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add games to your gaming HUD on your mobile Android device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video, shall we? Alright guys, go ahead and click inside Gaming Hub. Click on Accept, Gaming Hub, Update Gaming Hub. So if you need to update Gaming Hub, click on Update. So I'll go ahead and do that now. Alright, I'm going to update Gaming Hub here. Alright, once this is updated, I'll go back inside Gaming Hub. Alright, I'm going to click on Open. Alright, once you've done that, your new updated version Gaming Hub would look similar to this, depending what time or what year you're watching this video. So to add a game, what you want to do is down below it says play or install some games to see them here. So I'm going to click on this little 4 dots here, where it says My Games. I'm going to click on the 3 dots next to that, and then click on Add Games. So now I'm going to add some games here. So I'm just going to add this game here, Angry Birds, and then click on Add to Gaming Hub. And there you go. So Angry Birds has been added to Gaming Hub inside of your Gaming Hub. So if I go back, as you can see, if I scroll down, you can see Angry Birds has been added. And to add more, just simply do the same thing. Click on the 4 dots there, the 3 dots next to My Games, click on Add Games to add more. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found it was helpful.